Yeah, and we are looking at increasing winds tomorrow, though, so they do need to get that thing tamped down and dealt with, because tomorrow we're going to see wind gusts over 40 miles an hour in that area of the state. We've got snow headed into other areas. Sandia Peak, here's a look at the cloud cover out there starting to increase across the area, and we do have showers across the about southern third of New Mexico here. And what we're going to get out of that, of course, is not much here in the metro for now, but it is setting up to juice up the atmosphere a bit and make things far more interesting with this next storm coming in. But you can see some of those showers around Eddy and Lee counties, and we're seeing some snow over the Sacramento mountains. This is not going to be a particularly long-lasting deal that's going to be all that significant. What will happen tonight is we'll see the showers diminish, but the cloud cover, and some of it pretty low-hanging cloud cover, will sit across the eastern side of the state as we get ready for the storm system, which is still well off to our west. And we do have winter storm warnings in place for tomorrow over the northern mountains, including the Sangre de Cristos, Jemez, and up into the southern San Juans and out into west central sections as well. Northern portions of the Gila included in that, and winter weather advisories, Grant County and up around areas of the Northwest Plateau and southwestern Colorado. Wind is going to be a very big deal. Talking about wind gusts to 65 miles an hour in south central sections, and bordering areas 55 miles an hour across the south. So be prepared for a very windy day tomorrow. And here in the metro, we're going to have our fair share of wind as well. And really, we're cranking the winds right now out of the south at 31, gusting to 39, with the temperature warm thanks to that southerly breeze. Temperatures for the most part hanging in the 40s across the north, and down to the south mainly in the 50s. All right, here's a look at what's going on. We've got the moisture coming up from the south well out ahead of the storm, which is headed in our direction. So this is not the main storm. This is the main storm sitting off the west coast, and it's going to slide down and dig far down into the southwest before it turns over New Mexico Wednesday night and into Thursday. So the combination of some moisture coming in and then the storm itself will help to produce all that snow across the west slopes of the northern mountains, and some showers here in and around the Albuquerque area. So right now, storms off the west coast. What we're looking at is through Thursday morning, snow to the north and west. Scattered valley mixes will be possible here. We could grab an inch of snow into Thursday morning, no doubt, and very windy conditions down south. Bust potential has come down slightly because the storm continues to sag farther down to the south, and because of that, it's going to do a better job at grabbing moisture and converting it into rain and snow, again, mainly to our north and west. But here in the metro, with some gusty winds late tomorrow and into Thursday, we could grab a couple showers as well. Same deal in the northeast. Then into late Thursday and Friday, we get another system that comes in. This one looks a little bit weaker, but it still could produce a few showers and especially a little bit of accumulating snow across the northern mountains. So here's a look at everything dissipating tonight, and then tomorrow, west to east, it comes sweeping across the state. As you can tell here, scattered showers in the metro. Tomorrow evening, heavier snows across the northern mountains. That will hold probably through midnight at least, and probably even into Thursday morning before things go to snow showers across the northern mountains into Thursday, and then we get ready for that second system on Friday. So again, the point here, no big time storms, but enough going with a few of these that they're going to help the snowpack. 37 in Durango, 35 Pagosa Springs. You guys have a winter weather advisory. 3 to 6 inches, excuse me, is possible. 42 in Farmington. It's a heck of a storm, but it's not that kind of storm. 40 in Gallup, 43 in Grant. Snow at times. Winds out of the south up to 40. 30s, 40s, and 50s across the southwest. Watch the Gila for the accumulating snow tomorrow and into early Thursday. Over to the southeast, you guys have some showers tonight, but then the big concern tomorrow goes over to very gusty winds. Lots of cloud cover overnight, possibility of some fog as well up into the northeast. We will see scattered rain and snow showers as a possibility tomorrow and into Thursday. Northern mountains, snow will become more consistent later in the day tomorrow and into Thursday morning. Across the east mountains, temperatures here going to be looking mainly in the 40s. Southwest winds 20 to 30, gusting to 45. A snow shower possible here in the metro. We'll have that mix of precip late tomorrow and into early Thursday, and winds will definitely be a big factor throughout the day. Extended forecast, things start to clear by Thursday afternoon.
Interesting.
Sports is next.